everyone! It's finally night and time to rest. Tomorrow is going to be exciting, but I won't say more now. It's 12:30 now, finally time to rest. Finally time to rest, the night whispers gently, and I drift deeper into sleep. Every sound fades, the hum of a city, the distant cars. Only peace surrounds me now. The calm night holds me, as dreams slowly take over. The first light of morning fills the room. Soft rays touch my face as I wake. I stretch, breathe deeply. A new day begins, calm and bright. First of all, I take a shower. The warm water wakes me up, refreshing every bit of me. Steam fills the room, soft and calming. I feel ready to start my day. Outfit. Crisp white outfit. Heading out for breakfast. Morning is fresh, streets are calm. A little surprise awaits, excitement in every step. Let's go for breakfast. Where's the car? Oh no! I think I left the keys inside, maybe. Alright guys, let's go. First stop, breakfast at the restaurant. I don't have much time today because I've got a little surprise for you all later. Alright, let me take one quick shot with my car. Guys, how's the shot looking? Make sure to tell me in the comments. Alright guys, let's go. Time for breakfast. I'm ready to drive now. Wow, my city looks so beautiful. There's something so peaceful about this place. Early in the morning, you can hear the birds singing from every side. Guys, check this out. My side pose while I'm driving. Tell me, am I driving fine or do I still need a few classic driving lessons? Alright guys, we've reached near the restaurant. Let me park the car quickly. Where should I park the car? The place is already crowded. Everyone's here for breakfast. Soon they'll head off to their offices. Alright, let me get out of the car. And then we'll head inside. Alright, the car is parked. Now let's head straight inside. Place our order. And then wait for it to be prepared. Alright, our food is ready. And I've started digging in. Let me enjoy this first. And then I'll catch up with you all. So, I went to pay the bill. And the guy at the counter asked if there were any complaints about the food. He said if there were, I didn't need to pay. Alright, let's go quickly. First, we'll head to my friend's place to pick them up, and after that, I've got a surprise for you all. I thought I'd open the gate myself, but they got it open for me, and here. I gave my friend a surprise too. I said, hurry up, pack your clothes and grab whatever you need, quickly. Now that their stuff is packed. I'm heading back home. Now that their stuff is packed. I'm heading back home to get my own things ready. My friends were asking, wow, why so fast? Where are you going? I told them, not telling yet. I want to give you all a surprise with my audience first. I've grabbed my stuff, and my friends keep asking the same thing over and over. Where are we going? I put my stuff in the back of the car, ready for our trip. Now, let's get started with our journey. Alright guys, now I can finally tell you. I've planned a little trip, a 5-day adventure. We're heading to Cannon Beach/coastline. We'll enjoy it, explore more, and I'll keep you all updated along the way. Our journey begins in Oregon City, a charming town known for its rich history. Just 1.6 miles away lies the majestic Willamette Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the Pacific Northwest. The cascading water and mist create a breathtaking scene, perfect for the start of our adventure. A short walk from here brings us to the historic downtown and the end of the trail statue. Cobblestone streets and classic buildings tell stories of the past, offering the perfect cinematic opening for our journey. And that's it for today's vlog. Guys, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and had some fun. If you liked this vlog, don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!